This is how it.
My reflex! Thank God! I'm so happy I played yung ball. Hi! We're back in the Amante house and we're cooking burgers this time. Burgers! Yes! No! you guys suck! Hello everybody, this is the news. We're back in the Amante kitchen and we're making burgers this time. But the Amante kitchen is changed.
Yes, because Mama complained that her background was ugly, which is not our fault, that's hers. As you can see, we made a spice wrap.
This is so much harder now because we have a new friend. Now, we're back in the Amante house and we're making burgers this time. And the kitchen is different because
We redecorated because the kitchen was really ugly before, and now Mama should be proud that her kitchen is displaying its full glory.
it's pretty now because of pretty work sometimes. And then we have
Spice
it.
rack.
Yes.
And random things like sitting on it.
Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, we have a new friend. We have a new
Well, she's
friend.
not a new friend.
She's
new
friend.
to the show.
She's new to the video. Her name is Alex.
She is single.
She is single.
But she's not ready to mingle because she's not.
We have to pray for her.
Miggi made the burger buns yesterday, and here's a clip of that.
Because Miggi wanted to be useful. Yes, that's it. And on to the cookie. What's first?
You crush the jazz.
Crush it up. Ah, okay.
Garlic.
Yes. Fun fact: Alex is the younger sister of Mika. Mika, who we gave the cookies to, and she got to try the cookies, diba? Was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. Yay! Yay!
That's all I can say because he just woke up and
Yes, we had to wake her up when we set the cookies.
Oh, do you want all beef or beef and pork?
You can mix.
You already mixed it naman daan.
So beef. And
Beef.
pork.
And pork.
I don't understand why you separated it.
Because I wanted to
I
do an
know,
all
right?
beef patty, mong good.
Oh, you wanted to do well? But how are you gonna make an all beef patty? I
We're not adding
wait,
pork.
do we have a do we have a recipe for this?
No.
What?
Everything is being eyeballed.
What?
It's cooking, not baking. Baking is a science. Cooking is an art.
Wow. Okay, what's happening now?
Mincing garlic.
Garlic.
Sorry.
So that's
To make it small.
wala na pud ko'y gamit karon.
Oh, I should have asked you.
How about both of you do something?
Like what? What should
Okay,
I do?
Ice, you do the mix. Are you comfortable doing this?
Yeah.
Okay, you do that.
Then
No
how do you
salt
know?
seasoning.
Okay, how do you know it's the
You measure with a tablespoon.
Okay. Yeah, one in it. Need more?
Oh, that's a lot of chili flakes. Are you all okay with spice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we'll add one, I guess, binding agent.
And
This is a very short video, Meg, because
yeah. So now what?
what else do you do? You can add more spices, whatever you want.
Grabbing random things and putting it in.
This is how I cook my good.
Yeah.
Whatever smells nice.
This is the importance of a spice rack, ladies and
Yeah.
gentlemen.
Yeah.
Spice rack.
Spice.
Just paprika.
More paprika. Yeah. That's how kuripot Thisa is. Because he's the very last of the egg.
can't even.
You guys can cook the patties while just doing the cheese.
Yeah, you can. You want to form
Really?
patty
I mean,
ice?
where's the... You know, form patties? Manaig, you form patties. Come here.
Yeah. Wait,
Patties. And I'll just
okay, I want to form the patties.
You form patties?
Wait, you can't do it?
No.
What do you mean? No, I can do it.
You just form patties.
Ay, pila mo ito? Upat?
Yeah.
Kill it.
Oh, you're gonna make.
That's too much oil, ice.
What? You don't need a lot because it's so greasy na kasi.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Why would you put it back in?
They're only supposed to coat.
This is really chaotic. This is how you divide a patty. Sige, like what they do in cooking shows.
How are you an expert? You watch a lot.
Because I watch a lot. Why does this look bigger? I'll just divide it properly. Uy, bala.
Where are you gonna put it?
You can put cheese inside.
Okay, wait a wait a. Let me form it. This is fine, na?
You make it look so
What is this is like what you put in ano cheese this time. You know, they're so cheap ito.
I'll give you more, Manggood.
Uy, I feel like init na kayo eh.
It's fine.
Then speed up!
Okay, so, nag-cover na ang cheese.
Yeah,
Tapos, i-press mo yan. Ganyan. So, kailangan ganyan siya thin. Okay?
Okay.
Ganyan siya ka-thin.
If you're expecting me to add subtitles, I won't.
Wait! It's baga! It's not ano.
Sorry.
It's not ano.
Sorry. Just put yours in.
Oh yeah, that's red ice. Do it.
No, don't do that. You're letting the juices out.
I don't care anymore.
Don't use.
Put it back!
Don't use that.
Why?
Because
Okay, yeah.
metal on non-stick. Do they have one?
Yeah, you're gonna damage the pan.
Wait, hindi. Explain ang juicy to sige. What was it before? Mold making.
Did you just call Manaig Miggi?
Why is this smaller?
Ikaw ang nag-form. Why are you asking me?
I suck. I'm sorry. I failed you guys. I suck. I'm sorry. I failed you guys.
Yeah. When do I flip this?
I just stared at.
Yeah.
No. When you feel it, you know it. You feel it like ice.
How many minutes is it?
3 minutes on each side.
Was it 3 minutes?
No, just feel it lang lagi. You know, timers are for chumps. You're not a real cook. You don't have.
Let your inner chef speak to you.
Yeah.
Never inner
that's
chef
right.
speak to you.
I think you don't have your inner chef.
Reasons to
Thank
marry
you.
Miggi, number 1.
Special someone.
You should marry Miggi because one, he makes buns.
Special someone. Better call right now
Where are you called right now?
or else.
Second reason to make
First come, first serve.
Miggi. I did not think
Miggi per sale, 50 pesos an hour.
that. Yeah.
Miggi. Yeah, Miggi.
Another-
Oh, see? That's how you know it.
Yeah,
You know, actually, the one that caught my attention, Miggi for sale, 50 pesos 1 hour. That's not for sale anymore. That's for rent. That's the only thing I'm complaining about.
No, for sale among time, Miggi.
Rent a Miggi.
Rent a Miggi, $50 an hour.
Wait, sorry. Wait,
Whatever
going back
you
to
want.
my story. Reasons to marry Miggi. He makes good buns. It makes pretty buns. Does it taste good?
It makes tasty buns. That's one.
Does it taste good?
I'll let you be the judge of
Okay.
this.
Well, I haven't tasted it
He
yet.
makes these videos.
Yes, he does make videos. He edits. You can edit.
And you know what? It's not because of school. It's because he's bored.
Yeah.
You don't have to hire a wedding videographer. Miggi will do it on the honeymoon. He won't spend time with you. And he's editing a video.
He'll be a husband. But at the same time, when you said, wait, can you hold? Can you move? Prenups. Yeah, there's gonna be just so
Your
many,
prenups.
so many tripods.
And he'll be, wait lang sa.
Ay, so wait, okay, we're gainer on gainer. and
Vito!
wala. Wala, kasi
You stuck at flipping, eh?
No, hanami.
I'll show you. after we sell Miggi, we can sell Manaig. Manaig can make chicken shape patty.
Which one?
I can shape patty.
She makes a good pet too.
You know, a pet? Yeah, diba? Wala ba yun ako kita? Oh, you know. Ate Thisa and Ate Nico left me in the car. And it was so hot. Felt like a dog. Because they gave me snacks after and I was happy na.
Oh, you thought we were just doing burgers? No!
No, because you can't have burgers without fries.
French fries.
So, we're gonna start by...
Slicing them!
No, wait. We have 3 potatoes.
Yeah, 3 potatoes. They're still hot,
So,
but I can
Ate
grab them.
Thisa boiled them first.
She didn't boil them, she microwaved them. She stabbed them a couple of times and she microwaved them.
Okay, so just slice the... beautiful.
Slice them, beautiful.
Okay.
What do you want me to do? I don't want to be the ice in this video. What am I supposed to do?
You do something, you get the spices or something.
Spices. Spices are here. Boom, we got
Where?
organic no salt seasoning. Which camera am I supposed to look at? That one, both of you. We have crushed chili peppers. We have salt. For some reason, Mama put them in a Parmesan
For some
bottle.
reason, I can't cut it thinly. You cut it. That's because it's hot.
It's fine out. I got it. Okay.
Ay, how about like we do potato? I just no. No?
Yeah, why is it not?
Okay, here, do it. So quiet.
You know, we're just gonna make potato wedges. We're just gonna make potato wedges because we're too lazy and you're not supposed
And they're not taking shape, look at
You're not even supposed to do what we did. So basically, this isn't our fault. This is Adithisa's fault. Camera, point at her. Not you, her fault. Adithisa's fault. Camera, point at Aditisa. It's her fault. It's her fault.
This is such a fail. Actually, you can eat it now.
Diba? But we're, you know, like...
We're not like that. We like to take it to the next level, right?
Yeah, because
I shouldn't be pointing this at people.
Oh, man.
You guys didn't even clean up the eyes in this potato.
Yeah.
The eyes add flavor, if you must know.
No, they don't.
But I took it out
Really? They
because no, of course not.
you're so slow, Miggi.
I'm not gonna help anymore.
You stop me.
I like how it's a short video, but it's not that.
You don't. You're good. You're good. You know we're better than us.
That's what they tell themselves to keep themselves.
Miggi's making drama so funny. I'm gonna say it. Okay.
Not anymore.
What?
No,
Can't believe it.
not gonna happen anymore.
You need to help me.
I'm gonna be ice and Aditisa at the same time. Dead and not helpful.
I'm gonna take this away because it's ugly.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah,
So the moral of the story.
You're so mean. I hate how it's not taking shape.
It's not our fault. It's the woman who microwaved them.
There's non-microwave ones.
Well, that's too late.
It's too late. We're making potato wedges. Fun fact. Wow, I'm becoming nice. Fun fact. Aditisa likes to tell us things at the last possible second. Like when I made the burger buns. She didn't watch the video.
Wait,
I'm making it the last second.
I knew that the video was hard, but I thought you would have to look at it and tell me that it was hard. I didn't expect you to
That's what I did, but then you replied when I was already finished with the paste.
They're not taking
Gordon
shape.
Ramsay, we're free in the market for
Call us
for
anytime.
chefs. If not, Jamie Oliver, you know, we like you too.
British.
Yeah. British chefs.
We like tea.
No, I don't. I don't. And now we season them.
Organic salt here.
Salt?
No. Here.
I'm not
You put the wrong salt, didn't you?
Paprika, Thisa, saan?
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 What's saan, Nick?
I want the
Where?
Mini Tagalog.
Are you sure they want the shape at all?
This is.
Does that look like you to take shape how floppy it
Look
is?
at that shape! Miggi is so tall.
Now you know why I was sitting down the whole time. I'm this tall.
He's so tall, I hate it.
that's how you make burgers.
The chaotic way.
Yes. And yeah, I've been Thisa. And that's how you make burgers.
The chaotic way
Because it's always chaotic.
in this kitchen.
Yes. I'm Ice.
And I've been Thisa.
And
Yeah.
no, Manaig's in a Zoom
Manaig is
call.
also having a Zoom call.
So,
She's a very important person.
We're
clearly.
going to eat later.
Or before she's done, because bloody hell. Doesn't matter.
Yes. So you just toast the buns and do it. Whatever. Bye!